Okay, here today the German car. Every day German stalking 5 years. And they're just not neo-Nazi groups. They got the HUK and the video security. And actually here is my German gang stalking car restaurants here, you know. I put this poster here, and here is a German car. Look at this. German. Actually German stalking me 5 years, and this is the 6th year. So German stalking me. And I can prove German neo-Nazi behind me, you know, stalking and damaging my stuff. Just like those. There's a luggage, suspicious German license luggage just left here. And there's a German car from, I think HH means Hamburg somewhere, you know. And it's just like something going wrong. So these are just German cars just staying. Every day Germans stalking for 5 years, almost every day. And it's happening everywhere from Romania, Bulgaria, Serbia, Croatia, Montenegro, Greece, maybe a little bit. And in Paris, Amsterdam, and even to the Ireland.
Hello.
Hi.
You want to go up?
Later, yeah. Hi.
You don't want to come up now?
No, I'm just wondering how is the cancellation possibility going?
Oh, I asked my boss.
Yes.
Can I just put this up?
I can just wait here.
It's fine. We will give you back the money.
Okay, that's nice, yeah.
And I wanted to ask you, did you have any problems? If you can tell me, what is
Yeah,
the reason?
a little bit scary to be here with those Muslims and Germans.
Oh,
Yeah, there's a German car just parked outside, and I've been stalked by Germans for 5 years. Actually, I could just show. I'm a victim of Germans, neo-Nazis. People stalking, and the German car outside. Actually, we can see that there's 2 German cars outside. I contacted police and interpreted one silver one and another one there. Luggage just been there, so I'm just leaving to somewhere for safety. I already contacted the Minister of Internal Affairs of Serbia already.
and what did he tell you?
No, I just sent messages. I'm in danger with those neo-Nazi people. So.
Oh, okay. I don't know nothing about this, but
Yeah, so I'm contacting
I
police and
understand you,
NGOs.
but
Yeah.
don't be afraid. I work with
Yeah,
them
so
all the time.
is it possible to check out where is
You said that Monday?
yeah, is it possible?
Yes,
Okay.
of course.
Or is it possible maybe tomorrow morning?
Oh, you want tomorrow?
Yes, it's better without the Germans for me.
Oh, okay.
I'm
But
contacting-
from this guy, don't worry.
so,
I understand you, but
Okay, so I
tell you, don't worry.
yes,
tonight.
I
will
need
be
I'll check out Monday.
on Monday or tomorrow.
Tomorrow is better, but if you need to do some rescheduling, okay.
I guess it's fine, but I will,
Okay,
I will ask you
okay,
in case. But
Yeah,
I
it's
guess
possible
fine.
to get
It's,
the cash back today.
today.
Yes.
I will ask her now.
I think it's safer to find somewhere without those cars out there. And they're stalking from Romania, Bulgaria, and everywhere.
Oh.
And I'm contacting those organizations. Actually, I went to synagogue there on the top, you know. They're still stalking me.
Modello sarà
Because I have to know how much time do I have because I have to finish something. Should I go first at his place?
Okay.
Or should I first finish what I have to do and then later? Can I go later to take money?
Okay.
Maybe in an hour because I have to clean something.
Sorry,
here.
you have
It was because of this.
stuff. Okay. Okay. I'll check out Monday then.
So you will leave on Monday or tomorrow?
I'm sorry.
Are you leaving on Monday or tomorrow?
If I have to pay for the Sundays, I just maybe I just leave the stuffs here as the whole night, like till Monday.
It's not a problem. You can decide tomorrow.
Yeah.
I will give you money back. You will pay for tomorrow anyway. So if you decide tomorrow to stay tomorrow also, it's fine.
Yeah, but I'll probably leave on
So you don't
Sunday.
have to decide.
Sunday night.
You don't have to decide now.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you. So, female clerk just came and returned me this morning. It's 25,320, something like this. So what I received is 25,320 Serbian dinar, and it's supposed to be like 354.50 euro I paid, and that's something like 43,000 something in Serbian dinar, and it's just half price I received, and it's just like I paid like 143 euro. I paid, and it's supposed to be included the tourist tax, and that's how it happened. So this somebody just put something here. Look at this. Oh yeah, somebody just put this rock on. So it could be just like somebody could be kidnapped here. Something like dangerous, just wondering. It was like 23,320 Serbian dinar you returned to me.
Well, I gave you what my boss gave me to do.
Yeah, it's like 144 euro in total.
And how much money would you?
No, because it's just I calculated it, and it's just like 70 euro per day here, is it?
That's probably without tax.
Okay, but
so you have 125 tax for each day.
Yeah, I understand, and I calculated the price. Like you returned me like 23,320, and it was like 28 euro for a night for like 5 days. So
well, I really don't know.
Can I have the receipt? Be found.
Okay, I don't know how to do this. I'm leaving now, so
yeah, but is it possible just to give me the, tomorrow morning or something like?
That my boss has to give you this. I don't know really how to do this.
So you don't know how much you gave me? Or?
I know it's around 23,000. She
yeah,
told me I didn't
I
count the
just
money.
Took a photo.
She just lived here. I just came.
I see. I see. Okay.
Tomorrow
morning.
Yeah. Okay. That'd be nice. Okay. Yeah, I'm contacting police.
Sometimes you want to really stop this job.
No, it's just ready for Interpol and everywhere. I'm safe somewhere without the neo-Nazis. Everybody watching me. They are asking any suspicious individual. I just contact police.
ali this, and they said, okay, he go, he can. I said, no, it's very hard. And now it's good when I came here for 1 meter I can watch. Now it's all I can. I am Superman. Beautiful. I may go in the Belgrade rehabilitation. Good. Amsterdam. Okay. Sorry. Yeah, sorry. Maybe okay. Okay, thank you. Yeah. Thank you. What's your name? Lucian? Marshall. Yeah. How do you say it? Please meet you. Drago nešto. Slowly. Drago. Nije. Što smo. Se. Upoznali. Drago je. Što smo se. Što drago mi je što smo se.
I think my checkout time will be Monday. Oh, okay, thank you.
That's 5,020 euro.
20 euro. Oh, yeah, okay. Oh, okay. Yeah, that's for the oil. Thank you. I think I contacted 40 before. There's forest there. Nice to see forest.
Dobar dan, da li je tu Alekrović? Da li je tu gospodin Alek Rodić? Možda slučajno pozorišta.
I think the German left that stuff there, you know, that I get suspicious one. I heard that they got some body inside. And there's another German girl there who was missing, but the police